Hello guys, today we are going to be talking about the research guides, and I'm going to give you the simple things you need to put in place in order to make your research perfect. So I'm going to start immediately with what is a research topic. A research topic is a field or problem an investigator is interested in when doing his or her research. So as a researcher, your research topic needs to be captivating enough and powerful enough to make the reader attractive or concerned with your research paper. So next you need to know is, how do you select that research topic? First of all, you need to brainstorm for ideas. Next, choose a topic that you appreciate most and you like the literature in which you like the literature of what you are doing research on. Make it manageable. So the subject to and the subject to be accessible. Create a list of keywords. Be flexible, and from that research question, identify your topic. After, what is a research variable? The research variable is a property, characteristic, or number or a quantity that over time increases or reduces, or that in different circumstances can assume different values. A variable, a research variable, is a property or characteristic that can measure from a time to come, or that can decrease or increase. Types of research variable. There are many types of research variable, but I'm going to talk about the independent and the dependent variable that are commonly used. These are variables that are stable and which influences the other variable you are trying to measure. While the dependent variables, these are variables that are being influenced by the independent variables. It is the presumed effect. Let me give an example. The impact of ICT on the society. ICT is the independent variable because it influences the society, and society the dependent variable because it is being influenced by the society, by ICT. So the next one is, what is a problem statement? As a researcher, you need to know what is a problem statement. So the problem statement briefly explain the problem that the researcher will address. And next is the purpose of the problem statement. She state the importance of the topic you are trying to study, the significance of the study, and the research question or hypothesis you need to follow. To identify the gap and the pain that exists today. And lastly, you should address the knowledge gap of today. It should be important enough to apply the current study body. It should contain compilation of evidences or statistical evidences. This could lead to more studies. Thank you for watching this video, for it will help you to do your research paper or a research concept paper. Thank you very much. Goodbye.